How to clear cache on Android 2025 update. If your Android phone feels slow, apps take long to open, or storage is filling up, clearing cache can fix a lot of it without deleting your personal data. First, let's clear cache for a single heavy app. Open Settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Tap See All Apps. Find an app you use a lot, like TikTok, Instagram, Chrome, or YouTube, and tap it. Now tap Storage and Cache. Then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files, but keeps your login and app data. Avoid tapping Clear Storage unless you want to fully reset that app. Go back and repeat this for any other apps that feel slow or use a lot of data. Next, let's check overall storage. Go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap Storage. Here you'll see how much space is used on your phone. On some phones, you'll see a Free Up Space or Smart Storage option. Use that if it's available to remove junk files and temporary data. If your browser feels slow, it can also help to clear its cache. Open Chrome or your main browser. Tap the three dots in the top right. Tap History. Then tap Delete Browsing Data. Make sure cached images and files are ticked. Untick passwords, browsing history, and cookies and site data if you don't want to sign out. Then tap Delete at the bottom. Double-check on the confirmation window, then tap Delete. Finally, restart your phone so all changes apply properly. After this, your apps should open faster and your phone should feel a bit smoother. If this video helped, subscribe for more quick Android fixes.